Good afternoon, everyone. Carolyn Orf here with KHM Today, and you guessed it, it's my birthday week, and so I am making something for our KHM at Home segment, salted caramel peanut butter brownies. So I don't typically like cake. I'm more of a salty snack kind of person, but I do love salted caramels, so we're gonna give these a whirl. So the first thing we've done is we've lined our pan with foil and then sprayed it with cooking spray. I have my oven preheated at 350. And then I've melted half a cup of unsalted butter already. And then we're gonna add 1 egg to the bowl, a cup of brown sugar. It comes out, there we go. And 1/3 of a cup of creamy peanut butter. Now, the recipe actually calls for Skippy peanut butter that's salted caramel flavored. I could not find this anywhere, so if you're able to find it, please send me a case because that sounds amazing. So we do all that, and then we're actually gonna put in our vanilla as well, a tablespoon of vanilla. And I did do our butter a little bit ago because, if it's too hot when it hits the egg, it's gonna scramble it, and that's just gross. So we are gonna put our butter in here, and then we whisk it around. Okay, so that's nice and smooth. And then, gotta flip our recipe over so we remember. Okay, so then in this bowl, I've got a cup of flour, and I've used gluten-free, so we're gonna see how that turns out. And then half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to combine this, but not over mix it. So you don't wanna be going to town with it. You don't need a beater. You can just use a whisk or a spatula and fold it all together. We've got a cup of chocolate chips that we need to add in. That one's done. Okay, add that in, and then we throw it in the pan. And this is gonna bake for, I don't know, 30 minutes. In Colorado, we tend to bake a little bit longer. So then it says we can sprinkle a few more chocolate chips on there. That seems like an awful lot, but we're gonna try it right on top. And smooth them out, tapping with the spatula. Okay. And then we're going to bake it. And then once it's done, that's when we throw the caramel sauce with the salted caramel on it. So we'll be back. We have baked our brownies. We had to do for about 30 minutes. 22 minutes was not enough here in Colorado. So they're baked. I've cooled them for an hour, and now we just have to drizzle. Oh, it's so funny. It's been drizzling over the top already. So we're just going to drizzle our salted caramel sauce. I don't know if that drizzles really well, but, and then we're ready to cut. Kind of gloopy, but there we go. Okay, stop laughing, children. Okay, here we go. Are you down on the spot here? Just a tiny, tiny piece. I actually feel like I want to do this because this is the whole point of that, wasn't it? Okay. Well, it's kind of sticky. There we go. There we go. Look how delicious that looks. Super yummy.